Alright guys, today we're going to learn about shape. The first thing I want you to do is you're going to be drawing a line that's going to come down the middle of your paper. And you're going to come on the other side over here and you're going to draw a line across. That's going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4 areas for drawing. This first one, we need to write our name. So we're going to write our name up in the top area over here. And I'm going to put Mr. Valesky. I want you guys to put your name up in this box here. As we move over here, we're going to start off with our first shape that we want to try out, and that's going to be a circle. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds here today, and we're going to do some drawing just in this little area right here. You're going to start off by drawing circles that are small, some that are big, maybe some that are really big, maybe some that you do really slow, and some that you do really fast. Alright, go ahead and give that a try. Alright, so the next one we're going to go over here, we're going to try out and doing some triangles. Okay, so triangles have 3 sides. So I'm going to try a variety, a bunch of different ones. So I'm going to go up, try to make a nice clean one here. Maybe one that's a little bit skinnier. Sharp ones. Go ahead and try out making different sizes of triangles. Alright, for this last one here, we're going to put together 2 different shapes. We're going to try squares and rectangles. So we're going to try smaller ones. There's a square. We're going to try rectangles, maybe a long skinny one. Maybe we do a rectangle that goes this way. Try different types of squares and rectangles. Alright, go ahead. When you turn your paper over, we're going to be creating a picture of a shape castle. So we're going to start off today, and we're going to be using one of these rectangles to get started with. I want you to make sure that you have it this wide way, and we're going to take now a Sharpie marker to begin our drawing. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create the door. Okay, so we're going to do a shape that goes up and over. This is actually called a semicircle. So we're going to go up, over, and back down. Okay. If you'd like to, you could divide it in half, or you could give it a little handle here. I think I'm going to divide it in half. Next, we're going to give some towers. Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing a tower that comes over the side here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to stop about right there. This is going to be pretty tall. I'm going to go over, and I'm going to come back down. This is a big rectangle. Okay. I'm also going to do one on the other side over here. Could be the same height, could be a different height. It's up to you. The next thing I'm going to do is make a line that comes across here. Triangles on the top here. So I'm going to go up and back down. As you can see, we have triangles, we have rectangles, and this is almost a square, and another rectangle here. Next, I'm going to create a few more shapes on it. Right here, I'm going to put some smaller squares. I'm going to give it a flag with a triangle flag. And the next thing I'm going to do is add some circles and some squares. So I'm going to start off, and you can do the shapes that you'd like. You could add more towers over here. You could add rectangles over here, squares. The next part is up to you. You could even add some windows in there as well. Alright guys, good luck with your drawings today. Can't wait to see them.